Evening, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are in the world. I want to welcome you to another session of Peter Stone Jewelry and any one of our brands: Dive Silver, Magic Symbols, Triangles, Celtic Lines. We have lots of different jewelry lines for you. And they're not only different by their themes. They are different in all aspects of the jewelry. The jewelry is heavier than most jewelry. So many companies today want to make it light, really thin and light, and as inexpensive as possible. A lot. But that's not what we do. We make jewelry the way it was made for the centuries, for the wearer. So it feels like jewelry. It looks like jewelry. It is valuable like jewelry. There's a substantial amount of precious metal in your jewelry with assay certificates. So today I want to talk about gold. Why gold? Well, gold price has stabilized, but it may be going up in the future. We know that there's a little bit of inflation in the money. So if you're in business, you want to offset that extra cost of life and living, at least temporarily for now. And one way to do that in a big way is with gold jewelry. Now, if you are a wearer of gold jewelry, you not really want to do any business with jewelry, then there's still an investment in that precious metal at today's price, at today's dollar value. As we move forward into the future, whether you buy jewelry for yourself as a wearer, as a consumer, you've made a solid investment. And we have transparency all the way through. You'll know you're getting what we say you're getting, whether it's 14 karat, 18 karat, or 22 karat gold. You can rest assured on a rainy day or a cloudy day when you need that, if you ever need to take that jewelry and turn it into cash as a monetary tool, as a safety device, as an investment tool, then you've got it. And precious metals like sterling silver are the same. So you're not only, whether you've got a business, if you invest in, when you invest in that jewelry, when you invest in gold or sterling silver jewelry, you've got something of core value, the precious metal value. Then on top of that, you've got the beautiful handcrafted art and creation of the jeweler's hands that make that jewelry, which makes it like 4 to 5 times more valuable because of the beauty that it's crafted in. Peter Stone started a very big push. We've always made gold jewelry for decades, actually. And now our customers have, just in the last 3 years, there's a group of our customers that have identified they wanted more. Their sales were just okay and or not good enough for what they wanted. And so they tried gold, and the gold sold really well. Why? Because the designs are unusual for gold jewelry. So any one of the sterling silver designs that's on the peterstone.com website, you'll want to subscribe also. You'll want to follow us and subscribe here, because we'll get you the tools, whether you're a consumer, you want to do affiliate, or you want to do drop shipping, or you want to buy gold and sell it online. We have systems that require very little investment, and we have funding where you can pay for that gold over time. We have Affirm, we have Klarna, we have Sezzle, there's PayPal, PayPal Credit. There's a lot of ways that you're really investing. I mean, whether you're buying a beautiful piece of jewelry for yourself, you're investing in yourself, in your future. You got something solid. You don't have a piece of stainless steel or a piece of who knows what it is, white metal jewelry. I mean, I see some things online and they look like beautiful pieces of jewelry and it says silver. And the price of the silver is 20 times more than the retail price of selling online. I mean, they're just screwing you. So I'm just saying, beware. Beware. You can't get something for nothing, especially in a precious metal when it's a big piece and it weighs a half of an ounce. Can't be for a little money. So we're not there. We are in the investment world all the way around. So you invest with a store, you're investing in sterling silver and gold jewelry. You're bringing a higher end client and you're growing your business with the finer jewelry. You want to have a bunch of customers that want to spend $20, $30, $40 and you've got to sell 1 million or you've got to sell 100,000 items or 1,000 items to barely break even. You got to sell at least 5,000 items. And you got to do a lot of work, a lot of packing, a lot of shipping, all this, and you're making little tiny profits while you're doing it. And you don't know if it's really a precious metal or not. So I suggest if you're buying jewelry elsewhere, ask them for an assay certificate. If you want to know what it is, click on the link and ask for an assay certificate. We'll send you a copy of what it is, what it means. We've been checking. It means we check the jewelry precious metal content. So you are guaranteed you're getting what we say you're getting, and you're secure when or if ever you needed to use that gold jewelry like they do in Asia all over the place. The gold is an exchange. It's like, okay, I need a little extra cash, go to the gold shop, get my money. And there's places they do in America. But I'm not saying this is the reason why, but it is one of the many reasons why in 2022 you want to own jewelry made of precious metal and especially gold. So in 2021, it was the highest gold sales in the last 12 years. In the previous 12 years. So since 2008, I mean, gold just stopped and silver was the new gold, right? That's what it was for like 3 to 5 years. Then gold came back a little bit and a little bit and a little bit, but now it's mainstream. If you're a reseller online and you don't have gold, you are losing thousands of dollars. Let me repeat that. If you do not show gold jewelry, at least a small section, 30 to 40 designs, you don't have to pay for the jewelry up front to sell it. We'll give you the images. You post it online. When you get that order, you pay us the wholesale price. We start making that jewelry and ship it to you. And you rinse and repeat. What if you sold one piece of gold jewelry because someone happened upon your website and they love gold and they didn't want silver, and now you got them, and you did that 26 times a year, every 2 weeks? Suppose you sold one piece of gold, the average was $800, and you brought in $300 to $400 profit because of that. So 300 times, so that's over 6,000, right, in profit at $300. Well, pure profit. pure profit, only your time to put it up. That's the low end. Now, what if you sold $800, $1,000, $1,200 pieces of jewelry? People are buying it all day long. One customer did his own custom design line of jewelry, and he does it in gold, and we made it beautiful for him. It's a niche market that he chose, and he's selling anywhere from 1 to 3 gold rings. They're like $1,400 a piece. Retail, online, and he's smiling. He is one of the few that encouraged me and Peter Stone to offer gold jewelry. He says, Peter, your other customers, they need this. It's selling like hotcakes, so to speak, right? Or whatever, green salads, I don't know. But it's selling really well, and you want to hop on that. You want to invest as a personal buyer. As an affiliate program, you can do gold program. As a drop shipping, we have a new website now for drop shipping only that will launch in the next week or two. We're offering all the jewelry that we have wholesale, 6,500 designs for you to choose from out of 43 niche markets to put in drop shipping, including gold. And you can choose the carat. If you have an up-end line and you want to show 18 karat, you don't want to put up 14 karat gold. There's money out there, and people want to wear gold that is real gold, more gold, 22 karat. 18 karat is 75% pure gold. 14 karat is 58.5% pure gold. So in Asia, they say 14 karat, they laugh because it's almost half alloy. But 18 karat is when you start getting into more investment grade, more beautiful, and customers want it. So you can offer, even with a drop shipping, pick 14 karat, pick 18 karat, pick 22 karat, but you can test it. But if you're aggressive and you want to address a higher end market, you want to say, you can get this in 18 karat. We'll give you a quote. If you put up 14 karat, they go, oh no, I want jewelry in 18 karat. That takes it up another level. First, you've taken it up from the level of sterling silver to adding gold. You hook that person, you got them on your website. They love it. They love you because now they see gold jewelry that they've never seen before. And you become a hero, and your business starts growing. These are perks and benefits that we don't even that you don't see up front, that people start telling they got a piece of gold jewelry. Oh, that's beautiful. Where did you get that? I got this. It's at Susie's website, Jimmy's website, at ABC Company's website, at XYZ Company's website. You need to go there. And all of a sudden, your gold sales go up, and you had a goal of making $50,000 in a year, and now you're going to make $150,000 to $200,000. Would that be useful? Would that be helpful for you? I mean, the price of gas is up. We need to cover these expenses. This is a solution. Where am I going to get extra money? Peter Stone Drop Shipping. Peter Stone Affiliate Program. Remember, please remember, the drop shipping program includes sterling silver and gold. Sterling silver and gold. Sterling silver, gold, 14 karat, 18 karat, 22 karat. You can get 24 too. It's not pure. It's as pure as you can get it made. So it's called 24 karat. It's available. You can make custom design. Once you start selling, go, wow, I'm making good money. I want to design my own line of jewelry, be unique, and you're building your customer base online, and you're happy. You're smiling because the money's coming in, and it was such a struggle for the last 5 years, 3 years. Everybody's got the same thing, all this, and then you add gold, boom, your sales take off. this is a Peter Stone promise. When you do this right and you put gold on, you will make more money. I see people with these goals for their jewelry when they sign up for a wholesale account. And I'm going, well, how'd you like to double that or triple that? And you can do that because Peter Stone goes not just the extra mile. We go like to the other side of the world for you to help you show up with quality, value, care, and jewelry that is meant to be jewelry, not replicate, not cheap copies of who knows what metals. So when you invest in yourself and in Peter Stone jewelry, you have invested in yourself, your future, and the growth of your business. This is Peter Stone. Please click on the link, get on our email list, join our webinars, and learn. And I'll take you through the journey so you are successful. When you come back, I can give you a tip every week. One thing for 52 weeks, you're going to be making a big difference in your business. Not about going all over the place. It's sticking with a winner. We've been around for 35 years. This isn't like we just started 3 years ago, 5 years ago, or 15. We have a lot of practice. We've made a lot of mistakes, and we know today is why I'm here, because I made it through hell and high water for 35 years to help you grow your business in a big way. This is Peter Stone saying thanks. I'm looking for you. I'll be here for you. My team will be here for you. Let's make 2022 the best year yet.